Hello. Boys and girls, listen to this poem and think about any special sounds you already know. Here's the church and here's the steeple. Open the doors and there's all the people. Close the doors and hear them pray. Open the doors and they all walk away. Think about all the special sounds in those words in that poem. Maybe you and Mom can even write it down. Right now, I want you to listen really well so you can get a happy face. And when you listen, you hear it. When you don't listen, you might have to have it said again. This is our first of 6 riddles. It means a boy in the family, and it rhymes with other. Can you tell me the answer? Number 2, it's the coldest part of the year, and it starts like window. Can you tell me the answer? Number 3, it's something that gives heat, and it rhymes with tire. Number 4, it means a fight or a war, and it rhymes with cattle. Number 5, it's a room used for cooking, and it starts like kitten. Oh, everybody's going to get that one right away. Number 6, it's the opposite of near, and it rhymes with car. I know you're going to get that one too. Till next time, bye.